this video, I'll show you how to use advanced formatting in Fabric Plan's intelligence sheet to turn a basic matrix into a performance report. Here's a product portfolio performance analysis report I've already set up, a matrix connected to the semantic model with sales, gross profit, COGS, and units broken out by product and country. The numbers are there, but right now it's just a grid. The question is, where are costs eating into revenue, and which markets are actually driving performance? I'll start by cleaning up the display. I'll rename the measure headers directly in the visual, adjust the scaling using the column gripper, and switch the values to thousands for readability. Now I'll turn on autofit based on content and use show columns to widen only the measure columns. The row labels stay compact while the numbers have room to breathe. To make the hierarchy readable at a glance, I'll apply formatting by row level. I'll select the country dimension using the row gripper, set a background color, and update the font color. I'll repeat the same for the product level below it for consistent hierarchy, clear visual structure. First, I'll reorder the measure columns and move sales to the first position, making revenue the starting point for all subsequent analysis. Now let's start surfacing insights. I'll apply a top 7 filter on the country dimension to isolate the markets driving the most sales volume. For gross profit, I'll add a classification rule to tag each product as high, medium, or low. The ranges are auto-generated, but I'll set custom thresholds based on our actual business targets. I'll add data bars to sales to make relative revenue differences visible immediately. No scanning required. For units, I'll apply a conditional indicator, an upward arrow where we're above threshold, a downward arrow below. Volume performance reads in one pass. I can also apply a color scale where colors are automatically assigned based on the minimum and maximum values across the column, so performance tiers surface without any manual rule setup. To spot trends without leaving the table, I'll add a column sparkline to sales. Each row gets a compact month-on-month trend view in line, growth, declines, and outliers at a glance. Now I'll apply the conditional bar bullet chart to both sales and COGS. Each row now shows a bar comparing revenue against cost, side by side, in context, across every product and market at once. That's the answer to the question we started with. You can see exactly where cost pressure is concentrated. No pivoting, no separate chart, no export. In Intelligence Sheet, structured hierarchy, number formatting, conditional formatting, and inline charts all live right within the matrix. And that's what turns a grid into a performance report.